Okay, so I've gone back under floor plans back to my Habitat for Humanity site. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a building pad on our structure here. And part of the problem that we have is that these are the elevation lines, and I'll zoom in on this a little bit so we can see it. On this side of the property right now, this line indicates that the elevation is 770 feet above sea level. Down here it's 769. So this lot slopes from up here down to this side here. So there's a downhill. So what I want is I want my house to sit on a level building pad. Now, the way I go about doing that is I'm going to click on the outside edge of the property boundary here, and I'm going to select Edit Surface. And then I'm going to click Place Point. And in elevation, it defaults to 0 feet. But what you want to do is you want to change this to 770 feet right here. Now I'm going to come out and I'm going to start placing 4 points right around my house. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to green check mark that. And then I can take a look at my section view just for fun. I left the section view on here. I didn't really have to. Let's zoom in and see. It looks like it's going to be pretty good there. So I'll go back to my 3D stuff. Yeah, save the project. And then let's see, I'll go back to my Humanity site, and I can put another section line through if I want to, through view, right through here. Just to double check this. And this will be another section view. This will be section 2. So I'll double click on that and zoom in. And it looks like we are okay. Our crawl space is down into the ground in pretty good shape. So I'll go back to my Habitat for Humanity house site, and in this instance now I can delete off these 2 section views. Now save this, of course, and we're done with this video for right now.